Hello everyone, welcome back to our CCNP series. In this one we are going to discuss about the broadcast network. If you remember, in our previous class we already discussed different types of network. If you see OSPF behavior in different network. So now we are going to do the broadcast network. If you see here broadcast network, here what we will do, we will take the router. Let me show you the diagram so you will have the idea about this one. Here we will take the one switch and we are going to connect the 4 router with the Ethernet cable. If we are using Ethernet cable, Ethernet technology to connect the router, that router will be in the broadcast network. Okay, and if you see here, a network type that connect 2 or more OSPF router over a broadcast media such as Ethernet. Okay, so just remember, if you want to check the OSPF behavior in the broadcast network, then try to use the broadcast media that is nothing but Ethernet. Okay, so Ethernet technology, if you are using to connect the router, that network is known as broadcast network. And in this one you need to remember, as we discussed just now in our previous class, let me show you that table so you will have the idea about that one. Just you need to remember, in the broadcast network you will have 10-second hello timer, 40-second dead timer, and automatically you will have the urgency and you will have the DR and BDR. Okay, so same thing I mentioned here, 10-second you will have hello timer, 40-second you will have dead timer, and you will have the DR, BDR, urgency will form, and you will have the multicast address 244.0.0.5. So anyhow, now we are going to do the lab to verify this one. Okay, if you see here what I done, I taken a switch, I assign the IP to this router, and this router I am taking same network IP. Okay, and then we are going to run the OSPF. After that we are going to verify. So OSPF configuration I hope you already know, no need to explain, but anyhow see here I wrote the OSPF configuration here, enable config T host name, then go inside that interface, assign the IP address and write no shut. Then we will do the OSPF by using interface method. So here I use the router OSPF1. This is a process ID. You can use any number here. Whatever number you use, you need to use same number here. Already you know, right? Because we done so many times this lab for the OSPF configuration. So I go to this interface, I assign. Same thing I done for the 4 router. After that what I will do, I will go to the here, if you see, after that I will type show IP OSPF interface F0 by 0. Any interface you can check. When you check, you will have the network type as a broadcast. If you see this one, network type is broadcast, and if you see we have the DR and BDR. Okay, designated router, this is a designated router ID, and this is a backup designated router, and this backup designated router ID. And if you see, you have the hello timer and dead timer, that is 10-second and 40-second. Hence proof, we verify that saying that in the broadcast network we will have the DR and BDR. Here we have the DR and BDR, and we have the hello timer 10-second and 40-second, we have this one. Okay, so anyhow now we are going to verify with this lab. Okay,